Now for the small one, this one is much smaller, which I like. The connector pins on each side look good. The latch mechanisms on this one work fine as well, but there is no hole to put a padlock. That's not necessarily a problem though, since the car can be set to lock the charge port, so the J1772 side would be locked to the car. Compared to the other one, you can definitely tell a pretty big difference in size. But the J1772 and Tesla sides look basically the same. So it's just a smaller form factor. Now let's test them out. This one fits onto the Tesla connector nice and tight as well. Plugging it into the car, this one has a tighter fit than the other one, which is good. And it looks really good. It's nice and compact. And there's the charging started notification. So this one is charging well too. 7.5 kilowatts. So that's awesome. It just plugs in and charges with no issues, unlike some others out there. And it fits well, and it looks good. I'll give you a look from a few more angles here. But I'm really excited this is available as an option. And like I mentioned, this one is much less expensive than a Tesla tab. Personally, I'd opt for the mini 80 amp version of the EVDANCE, which is the one I actually tested here. It's built for higher amperages, so it won't become out of date, and it's still very inexpensive. Thank you guys for watching.